Struggling to find a way to relax after a long, hectic day? Relieve built-up muscle tension and unwind with the InvoSpa neck and shoulder massager. It's like having your own personal masseuse in the comfort of your home. The neck and shoulder massager include 4 large and 4 small shiatsu massaging nodes. Adjust the intensity with 3 speed strength levels, hitting the right areas with the perfect pressure. You can also use your arms and the handles to apply the exact amount of pressure you desire. The InvoSpa massager is bidirectional to mimic the motions of a real shiatsu massage. The massager auto-reverses every minute for better distribution of pure relaxation. Turn up the heat with infrared technology to relieve those tense muscles and add further relaxation. Take the InvoSpa Shiatsu massager on the go with its durable carry bag. It comes with a wall adapter and a car plug adapter, so you can use it in your house, office, or even on the way when traveling. The InvoSpa massager is a great gift for yourself or for loved ones. Relax in comfort with the InvoSpa neck, back, and shoulder massager.
There's a special society out there. Its members don't need an alarm clock to wake up. They don't need an inspirational poster to remind them that every day is an adventure. It's a society of athletes and explorers, with members who aren't afraid to get dirty. For them, sit, stay, and roll over aren't commands. They're a password. And in this society, everyone knows the handshake. And even when this society is unable to meet, they can count on each other. They are always connected, always close by, always looking out for each other. Because they are linked by a bond that cannot be broken.
Alexa, call Dad.
Hi, baby.
Happy birthday, baby girl.
Hi, Grandpa. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Believe it, you gonna love it.
Alexa, show me cupcake recipes from Food Network. 1.5 cups of graham crackers. Alexa, show me the front door. Alexa, play Mrs. Maisel on Prime Video.
Your weird ask. A weird what? It's the thing I asked for in your contract. He kept hounding me. When he asked what it is, I was blank. The room should be filled with pennies.